My name is Yuki, and we are very happy to join this activity session with all of you. And we are the students of Clark Memorial International High School in Japan. After COVID-19 pandemic started, we couldn't go to the school, so we took the class online. And we have been carrying out the process to think of the value of sports online. And we cooperated with JADA Sports for Tomorrow team members to develop the activity. Today, we are going to introduce one game which we designed our class. It's a gesture game.
Two of our students did a gesture which shows respect that is played, like this in judo.
Okay.
Thank you!
As the last program, we invite you to enjoy Japan Day online activity. So please relax and have fun. Yeah. Do you have any?
Siniba is perfect. Oh, Aziz.
I can imagine you.
He's fine.
Thank you very much. We had a very fun time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.